W8RDX, N5MKY.
Siren test is terminated.
Thank you very much. This is N5MKY. Net control. I will now pull each station for their activity report. W8RDX, pulse Cliff Street.
Siren wailed, was about 8 minutes past due. W8RDX, clear.
Roger that. All stations be aware I did call dispatch and they were extremely busy. They had back-to-back calls, and in fact it took them almost a minute to take my call, to answer my call. Transamerica Tower, NK2M.
NK2M operated as it should.
Thank you, Gary. Verona School, Capitol Avenue Northeast, W8JRD.
It turned, it wailed, W8JRD.
Thank you, John. Urbandale School, North Bedford, KE8GDN.
KE8GDN, rotated, making sound and still making sound. KE8GDN.
Roger, I copied the Siren, net standby.
MKY, this is KE8GDN, it just stopped.
Roger, thank you very much. Okay, Washington School, North Washington, N8LN.
Did not function. N8LN.
Thank you, Terry. Riverside School, Riverside and Golden.
KD8 WRU, it works.
Oh, KD8WRU, I forgot to give you a call that time, thank you. Let's see here. Water Tower at Eldred Street, N8LS.
Function just the way it's supposed to, and in fact it just quit.
Roger, Jack, thank you for that information. Net standby. Westlake School, 24th and Blackhawk, KD8RWE.
Worked as designed, KD8RWE.
Thank you, Dale. Bedford Fire number 3, North Avenue in Morgan, KD8TWG.
Siren saying KD8TWB.
Thank you, Max. Bedford Fire Township offices in Aldrich, W8IDR.
Function as designed, W8IDR.
Thank you, Ivan. Bedford Fire number 1, Bedford Village, WA8GHK.
Functioned as properly, WA8GHK.
Thank you, John. East end of Meadows Road, KE8LSB.
Worked as designed, KE8LSB.
Thank you, Rich. Golf Course, Avenue A and Dickman Road, W8MTX.
Functioned properly, W8MTX.
Thank you, Mike. I-94 Rust area, east of Helmer, N8ARR.
Steady tone, full rotation, N8ARR +1.
Thank you, Jay and Kathy. Water Tower, Beckley and Capitol Avenue Southwest, KD8BME and W8SXT.
Siren did not work, but the birds were chipping. KD8BME, W8SXT.
Thank you, Donna. On that standby. East Michigan and 13-mile road, KD8SHM.
Siren operated properly, KD8SHL.
Thank you, Cliff. W8JKG, Verona Road and 15-mile road.
Siren worked, it turned and it had a good tone. WJKG.
Thank you, Janice. 17.5-mile road north of Highfield, KC8MQU.
Worked as designed, KC8MQU.
14-mile road south of J Drive North, WRAG.
Functioned as designed, WRAG.
Thank you, Tom. 15-mile south of A Drive North, KB9IAR.
Worked as designed, KB9IAR.
Thank you, Don. Michigan and West Drive, Marshall Township, K8MOI.
KE8MOI, no sound, no rotation.
Thank you, Tina. Stand by. South Kalamazoo, south of Marshall Airport, KD8YSR.
No sound, no rotation, KD8YSR.
Thank you, Steve. Let's see here. 16.5-mile road north of G Drive, W8KDB.
Full sound, full rotation, W8KDB.
Thank you, Kyle. 13-mile road, C Drive, Ceresco, W8BCK.
Function properly, W8BCK.
Thank you, Roy. East Burr Oak and Avenue A in Pine Creek Reservation, KD8RHB. East Burr Oak and Avenue A, Athens, and Pine Creek Reservation, KD8RHB.
KD8RHB, both locations functioned as designed.
Thank you, Brett. This now concludes the monthly City of Battle Creek and Calhoun County warning siren test. We do deeply thank you for your patience on this net with the heavy traffic on dispatch, and we thank you for your time and participation. Don't forget the pre-test eating test takes place at Coney Island Cafe on northeast Capitol Avenue. I will not be there, so enjoy yourselves. I will be contesting. This test is now complete and all stations may secure. This is N5MKY out.